Viewers, Namaste. There have been suspended sub-registrar Ravindra Taru and Tehsildar Suryakant Yevle, who is also suspended. So, as far as Taru goes, Taru and Sheetal Tejwani, they are behind bars in judicial custody. And Suryakant Yevle, Tehsildar, the suspended Tehsildar, he is on anticipatory bail at this moment. So what is the news? The news is on social media, there is an update that both of these officials have been terminated. I mean, there are certain claims in social media. So we thought as NewsDots, we must find out facts and what is the current status in the case. So this is with reference to, you all know, Mundwa case, a big land parcel of more than 30 acres, which is actually with Botanical Survey of India, and these officials along with Sheetal Tejwani, they tried, and Amedia Enterprises, these officials tried helping Sheetal Tejwani to sell this to Amedia Enterprises. Kharge committee has been formed to find out the facts in the case. So as per our sources, the report of the committee is almost ready and should come anytime in next coming days. Meanwhile, the point about termination of Ravindra Taru and Suryakant Yevle, at this moment when I am recording this news, both of them are not yet terminated. Our sources have confirmed that yes, termination notices. So it's like a notice which says why you should not be terminated basis A, B, C, D, and the person to whom this notice has been sent, the official to whom the notice has been sent, is expected to revert with various reasons, or the person need to substantiate why that particular official should not be terminated. So this notice, yes, it has been issued by government. Taru is from, he is sub-registrar, wherein Yevle is Tehsildar from Revenue Department. Notices were issued to them in November, not now. So it's not a story of today or maybe last week or so. Notice was issued long back. Basis that necessary approvals have been taken by the senior revenue officials at Mumbai. And as per our sources, final termination order has not been signed or has not been approved as of now. It will be done by approval of the governor or the executives who represent the governor. On behalf of governor, the executives who would be signing this, since they both are, gazetted officers in this case, approval should come from governor. When I say governor, not a governor in person would be signing. Executive would be signing on behalf of the governor. Once it is done, it would be called as the termination order. The moment it is issued, technically, we will call both of the officials as ex-officials of Government of Maharashtra. So as of now, they are just suspended officials. For NewsDots, Tikam Shekhawat.